Hey, what's going on YouTube? And this is going to be shared over with all the other social medias. Just wanted to go live real quick. How's everyone doing? It's been a very busy day. Had a lot of good things going on. Real quick, just want to send out a quick nugget. Here it is. Don't get emotional about your credit. Hear what I'm saying, guys. Do not get emotional about your credit. It's a paper game. I want you to understand this. Credit is simply leverage to help you to build wealth. It goes up, it goes down. There's so many people who have good credit, and you're holding on to it like it's a trophy. And you want to, of course, cherish it, respect it. But you got to understand that having good credit and you're not leveraging it to build wealth is fruitless. You just got good credit. So you want to certainly make sure you do everything in your power. I mean, you don't want to be emotionally attached to your credit because you can always rebuild it. You can always restore it. You can always repair it, and you can always recycle it. And you want to understand that one of my mentors was sharing this with me where credit is simply a tool to leverage to build wealth. Once you get to the point where you are in a good credit status, you have to look back and say, okay, what can I do to put myself in a position to leverage this credit so I can go out here and make some serious money and set my family up with generational wealth. So I want to really send out a quick nugget just to say, one, improve your credit. And we help you do that with our team of credit experts. We do all the work, whereas we'll do everything that's necessary with our membership. You want to go to benjaminmccrae.com, go into more detail with that with benjaminmccrae.com. But once we get your credit up to par, now you're in a position to use OPM, which is other people's money. Now you're in a position to leverage and build wealth. It's a paper game. Don't be emotional with that. I talked to some folks, they be like, man, my credit score is 700 or I got an 800 credit score. What are you doing with it? Just because you have an 800 credit score, what are you doing with it? People with good credit and broke, people with good credit and struggling. Take that credit, put it to work, start building empires, build businesses, get your real estate game going. Learn how to turn your good credit, which is leverage, into wealth. Again, as I depart, understand with credit, because every time you make a move, it's hard to build it up. It's easy to lose. One inquiry and your credit score would drop significant. But that's okay. You can always rebuild it. You can always restore it. You can always repair it. And you can recycle it. When I say recycle it, when your credit is down, you want to have a community of individuals who else has good credit. Whereas if your credit is not on the upside and you're in the process of repairing it, rebuilding it, and restoring it, that's where collaborations come in, where you have partners where their credit might be up when yours is down, and you guys can continue to move forward and build wealth. If you're not using it for building wealth, what are you using it for? What's the purpose? Yes, you'll get approved for depreciating assets. You'll get credit cards, things of that nature. But if you're not using it to set yourself up financially to build wealth for you and your family, then it's not even necessary. So with that being said, love you. We're here to help you. Come with us on this journey with First Gen Wealth. Go to firstgenwealth.com or benjaminmccrae.com. Learn some more about our credit mission. Our goal is to help 1,000 families in all 50 states build an 800 credit score, which is a buying power of over $100,000. Understand this, that's 50,000 individuals, $5 billion in buying power. And with that, we will build wealth. We will buy back the block. We will do some significant things once we establish that type of leverage within our community. So we're on that mission. If you want to join us on that mission, definitely pay a visit to the site or make a comment down here in our YouTube and like and share this video. That'll be greatly appreciated as we start building the community here as well. All right, guys, thank you very much. Take charge.